Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically, depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, then you will enter the recents differently. So if you've got the gestures, just like me, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up gently and hold it somewhere here. But if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, then all you have to do is to simply tap on the button with 3 bars icon. So let me enter the recents. Let's swipe the finger, and as you can see right here, we've got all previously opened apps, and of course if you want to, you can close only one of it, simply find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you do not have the time to do it manually, you can close all of them with only one click. Just tap on close all, and as you can see, we just got back to the home page. So let's enter the recents to check, and here we've got no recently used apps, which means that for sure we successfully closed them. So actually this is it. This is how to turn off running apps in your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.